So guys, in today's Python video, I am telling you about AsyncIO using Python. So see this video start to end. If you do not see this video start to end, you have problems in your code. That's why. And please like this video, share friends, and subscribe to my channel. And do not forget to all the notification bell also. So now I will not take a long time, and please access my Python playlist and bookmark it also, and please tell me in the comment when my Python series will be ended, so what type of series we will start. So now I not take a long time, so let's move to the computer screen and let's do a coding with laughing. So guys, in today's video we are learning about AsyncIO in Python. So asynchronous IO, or async for a short form. Asynchronous is a full form, and IO and or async for short. It is a short form. It's a programming pattern that allow you for high performance IO operations and in a concurrent and non-blocking manner. In Python, async programming is achieved through the use of the async IO module and asynchronous function. Syntax. Here's a basic syntax for creating a asynchronous function in Python. This is a one syntax, okay? Not example I am giving. This is a one syntax. Here you can see it. Another way to schedule tasks concurrently is as follows, like this. This is one another example. AsyncIO is a powerful programming pattern that allows to high performance concurrent IO operations in Python. With the AsyncIO module and async functions, you can write efficient and scalable code that can handle large amounts of data and IO operations without blocking the main thread. Whether you are working on web applications, network services, or data processing pipelines, AsyncIO is still tool for any Python developer. Okay, and let me give you one example. Like I run it, but it's continuously it is coming like working. That when I will be reload it, let me see it now. It is come. Let's see it working. It is giving a working. So AsyncIO is very beautiful and very easy thing. It make your work very easy, and it is very helpful for you. Okay, and helpful for you and for us. So let me go on to the Google and search here AsyncIO. Sorry, here I am writing like now. This one like comes, so I will be run it like that. So it is a very short form, ASYNC. Okay, it's a programming pattern that allow you to high performance IO operators in a concurrent and non-blocking manner, and it is help your work in very fast. It will do your work and very easily, and your work will done it by that async. And then Python is provided as well programming with current types, and programming is a large. It's a popular programming paradigm that allow a large number of lightweight tasks to run concurrently with very little memory overhead compared to threads. Okay, and it is very simple thing, and you must be know what is that, and you all body will know must be know what is that, like it, and it's a SQL is a library to write a concurrent code using the async-await syntax. And SQL is used as a foundation for multiple Python SQL now framework that provide a high performance network and web service, database connection, library, district tasks, equax, and etc. And it is often perfect fit or IO band and high level structure network code. And XOS provides provides a set of high-level APIs to run Python concurrently and have full control over their execution, perform network I/O and IPC, and control sub-process, distribute the tasks, VIN coexist, encourage concurrent code. Additionally, there are low-level APIs for library and framework developers to create and manage event loops, which provide endurance API for networking and running, sub-process handling, OS signals, etc. Implement events protocols and using transport, bridge callback, base libraries, and code with AsyncIO await syntax. You can experiment with the AsyncIO current context in REPL. Okay, in REPL, like this is an example, and this module does not work or is not available in WebAssembly platform. Okay, and now here you can see it. It is very simple what are AsyncIO in Python, and it is very simple. You must be know what is that and all thing. And okay, and this table of contents I not tell you, but it is not in very much important. And now in today's I will be tell you about AsyncIO using Python. Okay, and it is very simple thing. Is concurrent programming that design that has received dedicated support in Python, evolving rapidly for Python 3.4 to 3.7 and probably beyond. You may think with that concurrency, parallelism, threading, multiprocessing, that's a lot of graspy already. Where does AsyncIO fit in? This tutorial is built to help you answer that question, giving you a firmer grasp and Python approach to AsyncIO. Where here's what you cover. AsyncIO, a language angstrom paradigm model that have implementations across a host of programming languages. Okay, and okay, in the continuous especially generate functions are heart of AsyncIO in Python, and we'll dive into this later on. Okay, before you get started, you make to so you can set up the AsyncIO and other libraries found in tutorial. Okay, and where does AsyncIO fit in? Okay, let me tell you. Concurrency and parallelism are expensive subjects that are not easy to wade into. While this article focuses is on Xgen, IO and its implementation in Python. It's working, taking a minute to compare AsyncIO on its counterparts in order to have context about how AsyncIO fits in the larger or something diving puzzle. Parallelism or stack of performing multiple operations of the same time. Multiprocessing is a means to effect parallelism and entails spreading tasks over a computer's central processing unit, CPUs or cores. Multiprocessing is well suited for CPU bound tasks, tightly bound for loops, and mathematical computation usually fall into this category. Okay, so now it's time to bring a new member to mix. Over the last few years, a separate design has been more comfortably built in C, Python, and AsyncIO enabled through the standard library AsyncIO to package and the new AsyncIO and await language keyword. To be clear, AsyncIO is not a newly invented concept, and it was exited or is being built into another language and runtime environments such as Go, C hashtag or Scala. Okay, and this is very simple. What are AsyncIO in Python? So here you can see in today's video, I will be telling you about what is AsyncIO in Python. So I hope you enjoy this class. If you enjoy, so please hit the like button, share friends, and subscribe to my channel. Okay, and all the notification bell also. And now I will meet you next class and next very amazing class of Python or Python project maybe. Okay, so now for today, goodbye.